This is a 6-pack of rechargeable RGB LED magnetic puck lights sent to me to review from Gudea Fun. So let's see how to install them and how they work. You've got your remote, one USB to 3 USB-C charging cord. So this will charge 3 lights at once. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puck lights and your installation magnets. Here's the instruction manual showing you exactly how to use them. Start with one, turn it on. Once it's on, you can touch it to turn it on. Red, green, blue, off. There are 3 installation methods for these. The first and the easiest is just stick it to anything magnetic. You can just plop it on a fridge, under your microwave, onto a filing cabinet, you name it. Super easy. I love that. So you can kind of take it with you. It can even be like a light for a child to bring with them to the bathroom in the middle of the night. There are 2 other ways that require minimal installation. One are these included magnet stickers. So they are a teeny thin piece of magnet that you peel off the back and stick it to anything to make it magnetic, then this will stick to that. This is gonna be so easy to install under kitchen countertops, in closets, in drawers, just anywhere. Literally, these are so small, and then you're just gonna stick to it, and then you pull it off, charge it up, stick it back. So easy. The third way to install is that you can hang it from here. You could install a little nail or something and then just hang it on and take it off to charge it. To use it, as I already showed you, you can just tap it to use it. But if you want to utilize all of the functions, you're gonna need to use this remote. So just first pull this out. On the remote, you've got on, off, 30 and 60-minute timers, 4 levels of brightness. The RGB colors, you've got 12 options here. And you have solid color as well as smooth and flash. First, we're gonna turn it on, and this is gonna work from up to 28 feet away. This is smooth. It just fades smoothly between all the colors very gradually. Then we have flash, which flashes between all the colors. To go back to a solid color, hit any of these. So we can do W for white. We can adjust the brightness. This is the lowest. 1, 2, 3, 4. My camera is auto adjusting, so it's really hard to show you that, but there are 4 levels of brightness. There's your USB-C charging port. These charge up fully in just 2 hours. The battery will last the longest if you have it on low brightness, up to 34 hours, but that's like cumulative. So if you're just using it here and there, you could last a week or so between charging them. These are not motion detected. You just have to turn it on or off manually by tapping it or using the remote. One remote does control them all. I love how flexible it is for the different ways you can use it. Something temporary, on a magnet surface. It comes with 12 of these magnet stickers, so that's 2 per unit, meaning you could be moving them around to different locations. So awesome. I love these. I love the colors, the functions, everything. I love them, and I know you will too.